Okay, hi guys. This is the English version of commentary for FBMKLCI, and please bear with me because I don't have all night to do this, so I'll talk in a faster manner because I just did for the Mandarin version. So, paiseh lah, ha. Alright. There's only one me. It's not possible for me to cover everything. So, alright. So let's get this done. In the past week, in last week, that was end of February, so I had done a commentary on FBMKLCI based on the February closing, and I think it will be a good idea for me to continue sharing with you on the progress of this FBMKLCI. So on the last week, I mentioned that our FBMKLCI had left a hint that the market could rebound, and it did rebound, alright. So we are quite lucky in that sense. Okay, and I have been telling everyone that as long as the FBMKLCI stands above 1006 level, we will see some minor bull run in some certain selected stocks. So here's it. I expect that if the FBMKLCI remain bullish in the short term, we might see the index re-challenge about 1,615 to 20. That will be another 20 points, or it might just hit 1,600 30 over to 40 over. Okay, this is based on a technical projection, yeah. And if you look carefully on this MACD, it's still below the zero line, which means that we are still in a bearish territory where it only signals a short-term bullish hint down here, and the RSI is still below 50 as well. So don't get too optimistic yet. Do not be too pessimistic, right? Oops. Okay. So if you look at the weekly chart, okay, this is the weekly chart. We are back on the 20 days moving average, which is also the good sign. And if we put in the shorter term exponential moving average, there is a cross, but well, just wait for next week. Then we shall know where the direction is. Okay, but most likely we will be safe for short term, probably Monday to Wednesday, if there's no pullback. Okay, next I will move on to two stocks that I have mentioned. One of them is EcoWorld, which I mentioned in December and of the last week of December, and I will also be talking about Huaxiong, which I selected a few days ago. So here we go for EcoWorld. Okay, those who only can understand English, probably you didn't hear from me about the strategy which I normally use, because I share this during the Chinese New Year third day sharing session, where I had mentioned that I typically use EMA5 and MA20 coupled with these indicators like moving MACD and RSI 14. Right, and the trading strategy is very simple, where we'll be looking at those EMA5 crossing up above 20. Right, these are all the signals that we will be typically using to trade stocks. Okay, like if you look at EcoWorld here, that the first cross up, okay, the EMA5 cross up, okay, the first one is on November 12th, right? somewhere around November 12, November 13. Okay, these are the dates you should be looking at. And the share price did all go up. Okay, it did go up, and then there's a pullback and consolidation. Goes back into a consolidation phase, which lasts about 2 weeks. Then another rally up here. All right. Okay, the price breakout from the range on December 3rd. Okay, there's a small cross up here. This is the first one, this is the second one. So this is the strategy that I typically use to trade stock. Yeah, okay, I will just buy somewhere around here or here, or just here, any one of it. All right, because there's some signal here, and it's never possible for us to 100% figure out which is the best buying price. Okay, but through a lot of exercises, practice, we somehow we manage we will be able to figure out what is the best price that we should be looking at to mitigate our risk. Okay, to lower our risk and shorten our holding period, but that requires a lot of practice. So the best way, the easiest way for you to start learning is to aim for this cross up and look at the share price movement typically within a week. Okay, if they show signal like this, like what I'm trying to show you here, okay, you will get some chance to trade on short term, okay, or just hold it. Right, I mentioned this stock on December 20 something, I think somewhere around here or what. Okay, then the stock shows some signal to go up again in January 15, 18, and the recent one which I mentioned again. So I hope you caught the opportunity. Okay, next move on to Hua Okay, yeah, I was talking on this stock just like half an hour ago. Okay, that's why you can see some drawing on the chart. Okay, what I was trying to show is here. Okay, I only noticed Hua when it was around here, and I shared the stock yesterday on March 4th. I mentioned that we might be able to trade this stock, okay, get an entry as long as the price remains or go above 73 cents, and it did went up. Okay, it did went up and hit the first target, or we can call it resistance as well. And you can see that the so-called target or the resistance that I marked is just somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. So this is what we do for short-term trading. We don't aim for big returns, we just aim for something small, and as long as we can make money, we can accumulate from all the small profits. Okay, relatively low risk and good opportunity, just a short burst, then we jump. Okay, the first signal actually came in November. Okay, you can see from here the first cross up, and then the breakout from 45 cent. Okay, coupled with some volumes, then the price start moving up. Okay, the trigger price, the trigger of this uptrend was probably due to the uptrend in crude oil price. Okay, so after that this Hua Xiong went for about 2 months consolidation or retracement or correction, you name it, whatever term that you can understand, then start moving its move again. So if you look at the weekly chart, this is a very good setup where it might go and challenge this range. Okay, 85 to 90 cent. Okay, that's all for the video, for the commentary, and I hope you will like it. And feel free to ask us any question that you want to clarify regarding this what do you call that? This charting platform, charting tool called M+ Slide, is accessible via the trading platform. I mean, if you use computer or laptop to access your trading account. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the commentary, and if you have any question, please post to our WhatsApp, our customer hot link 0183703700933. Okay, that's all. Bye.